over the years, since we started YouTube, we got a lot of stickers from a bunch of other YouTubers out there, and I'm probably gonna have to take all this off. So what I'm probably gonna do, good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, we are right here on episode 3. I know I call it day 3, but it's really episode 3, which is about 6 days of the garage makeover on a budget. We have not cracked our budget yet. I think the only thing since the last video that we've had to purchase was maybe an extra gallon of paint, just because I needed to finish this gray. The blue, by the way, covered the entire garage, 1 gallon. And then of course we got an entire gallon of black and don't even need it. So quick update about where we're at from the last video. We did get the line put in on the left hand side, so you can kind of see it wraps around all the way here, stair steps up there, and then comes around here and stair steps there. We still need to put in an electrical outlet here, and then I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna put another one right about in between those two cabinets. It's basically gonna be proportional with what we did on the other side. You can kind of see I have my hats hanging up. This is the original BG hat. This is the second rendition with the distressed look. And then of course we have our Texas tread hats there. Speaking of which, if you need any of those hats or you want one, definitely check the links there in the description to our website. We have the Texas tread. We're limited. We don't have a lot of those left in stock, so if you want any of those, definitely get them right now. We have quite a few of the BG hats, so you should be good there. And of course we have other swag and grab handles and all that kind of stuff as well, so definitely check that out. But back to the update. So I did get the other light fixture installed on this side. Now we had this one, I just installed this one. Don't tell anybody, but it's about a ½ inch off. Man, I took measurements all over the ceiling like 3,000 times, and by the time I got it all mounted up there and done, this one on the left hand side is like a ½ inch closer to the wall. So just don't tell anybody. Still got the magnets, or the magnets are still up there. They're still up there, and that's where I'm going to put in the air filter system, by the way, which is done really well, adding that additional filter on the back of it. I mean, look at this. This is the dust. That is all the dust from sanding these walls. And honestly, this wall over here, I took a different approach and it still turned out just as bad. So, you know, if you're gonna do the renovation, you might wanna spend a lot of time on the floating aspect, or just hire somebody to do it. I'm not a pro, but if you're good at it, you know what to do and you know what to look for, probably turn out really good. It looks great from a distance. When you get up close, you can kind of see the imperfections where the floating originally for the garage should have been a couple more layers of float and then sanding. Again, I can't really give you much advice there because I'm just not good at that stuff at all. So we still have our electrical to do up in the attic to tie all of this stuff together. But I'm going to tell you, there's something I'm kind of debating on. I don't think that I'm going to install the hanging cabinets back on the wall. So we have 3 of them here, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to clean those up and possibly install those over in Corey's garage. And I'll tell you why. Because one of the things I didn't like is, so we had these down here. Of course, they were over there, but you just didn't have a lot of space in between the hanging cabinets and the counter, so we never really used it. We used our roller cart and did everything right in the middle of the garage. If you've followed us for a while, you probably saw most of our videos. We have this little cart that we built out of some angle iron years ago, old bed rails actually, put a couple of 2x on top of it, and we just use it all around the garage. So I need the space. We got everything crammed in all the cabinets right now, and then of course we still got to clean all this stuff up over here. So I'm going to look at different options here. I'm a little concerned that that's definitely going to blow out my budget, but the wife gave me permission, so that makes it okay. All right, so, you know, it really might take this whole garage thing to a different level than a budget garage. But honestly, at $2,000, I think you can do more than what we've done here. Like I said, half my budget was on this Husky box here. This was half my budget. That's 62 inch. It's 39 inches tall and about 22 and a half deep. That was half my budget. So honestly, you could probably do everything that we've done here for less than $1,000. And remember, I have this other toolbox that I want to talk about between the comparisons, because that was a $150 toolbox. So you could really outfit this quite well for $1,000 with cabinetry and everything if you're not looking for the top of the line. This is where I'm at. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a quick update. All the painting is done. We have some minor touch-up paint stuff that we have to do up here on the attic access door, a lot of electrical, but more importantly, before I get too far on my electrical, I really want to find out what we're going to do with cabinet space and things like that over here. And if taking the overhead cabinets out, we might have to get rid of the stickers. So take a look at this. Hopefully I can show you this. If not, I'll tell you what, hold on, just hold on. Over the years, since we started YouTube, we got a lot of stickers from a bunch of other YouTubers out there, and I'm probably gonna have to take all this off. So what I'm probably gonna do is do a separate video dedicated to all of these YouTubers. A lot of them I still know. You know, Lone Star Rider, you saw that we met up with them at Texas Outdoor Expo not long ago. So yeah, I'm gonna do a separate one. It's kind of heartfelt. I really hate to take them off. I don't have any extras, but they're gonna go somewhere else. So I don't like to throw things away. I want to make sure that if there's someone else that can use them, then they'll get it. And Corey could definitely use it at his new place. So we're gonna do that. Guys, this is real short. I don't have any other updates. I think in the upcoming days, most of the updates are going to be minor, so I'm probably just going to save all that and just give you one big last whippoorwill about where we're at, or two videos, so we'll just see how that goes. But I do know that I do want to sit down and kind of go over some of the budget stuff for this, because I really feel like 2,000 is higher than it needs to be. I think for this budget, I think it could definitely be smaller. So if you really want to stick around for all of that, definitely do so, because I think the analysis is going to work out where just about anybody can do this. From, yeah, come on, man, it's a paint job. That's basically what this is, and some electrical stuff. And these cabinets, I think you can do cabinets on a budget. So I'm not sure if we're going to refinish these over here just yet. We're probably going to hold off for a few months, wait until it warms up. Right now it's nice, actually. It's 75 degrees here in Texas, but I'm going to hold off and see what happens over here. But the idea is to refinish those with a gloss black and a flat black, and then I'm going to build new countertops for that. So that's kind of the idea there, but we'll see where it goes. Guys, if you like this video, do me a favor, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to stick around to find out what happens next right here on Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Good night, everybody.